Hello, everyone. Welcome to our final event of Career Month with the Boynton Beach City Library. My name is Maddie Chosa. I'm the Marketing and Outreach Manager at the library. And for this final event, we'll just be giving you a brief overview of all of the resources that are available for free with your library card to get you prepped for a new career in the new year. So if you have any questions, feel free to comment them on the Facebook Live, and we will gladly answer them throughout the program. And we hope that you find these helpful. If you don't have a Boynton Beach City Library card, if you go to boyntonlibrary.org, you'll find more information on how to get a library card, or you can always call us at 561-742-6390. Once again, that is 561-742-6390, or just stop by the library and we'll be happy to help you. So, without further ado, let's get started. I'm going to share my screen and we'll go from there. Right, one moment. And let me make sure that I have the correct window. All right. So here is we're going to start on the library website because that's where a majority of our resources are. And I found this by typing in boyntonlibrary.org. One moment. Looks like we are having some Wi-Fi issues possibly. Let me see if I can fix that. Sorry, guys. All right, there we go. Okay, so this is our library's homepage. And if we go right here, this is where all of our Career Month programs were. But to see specifically our virtual databases where the career resources are, we're going to go to our digital library right here. And so starting on this page, some of the most basic resources that you can access to get career information are our ebooks and audiobooks, which are available on our Overdrive app. We actually just added a bunch of new titles this month, specifically for Career Month, that you can find on Overdrive, and the Libby app specifically if you're browsing on your mobile device. We have Cloud Library, which is another ebook, audiobook source, and RB Digital. Let me go ahead and click that so you can see. And here there are tons of magazines on different subjects, ranging from just eating magazines to backpacker, history, and then even some business ones too. And next, if we go down here to news, you'll find that with your library card, you get free access to the Palm Beach Post. And so if we click that, here you'll find daily news in the area and possibly any career information that is posted in the Palm Beach Post. And to access, all you do is sign in with your library card number, which I'm not going to enter because you'll see it, but you just enter your library card number here to see all current and back issues of the Palm Beach Post. And then the tab in particular that I want to highlight is our online learning tab. So click here and you'll see right here, career training. Expand that. We have two really awesome resources that are free with your library card and connect directly to career assistance and career training. Our first one is Knowledge City, which I have open on a tab right here already so you can see it. So once you sign in with your library card, you're presented with this homepage that has digital library resources on multiple subjects. So business, computer, safety, compliance, finance. So just for the kick of it, we're going to go into business. And once we go here, you'll see there's so many different subjects that you can take Knowledge City learning courses are. And Knowledge City is a lot like LinkedIn Learning or Lynda, with all of these different tutorial videos on multiple subjects. So we'll click marketing. And you'll see there's a bunch of topics here on things like content marketing, customer segmentation, leveraging technology, brand management, marketing strategies, marketing principles, consumer behavior, and just so many more on other subjects besides marketing. So if we click, for instance, strategic brand management, I'm waiting for that to pull up. This is the homepage for the strategic brand management course. And here you'll find the course description, any learning objectives, and what you'll learn. You'll also see who created it, the runtime of the course, so approximately how long it'll take you to finish it, and the number of lessons in the course. And to get started, you just click the first one, and there's hyperlinks for every single lesson. So if you wanted to skip through, you could, and you can learn all of these different concepts broken out into clear, distinct sections. And when you feel like you've learned all of these and you've mastered them, you can actually take a certification test too. And once you finish that certification test, it'll show up in your My Learning, section. And there you can see where you are in all of your other courses. And you'll see what you have and haven't finished and different things like that. So that's Knowledge City. That is a really big one that is free with your library card and just gives you so much knowledge on different career topics just to expand your career training and even enter a new field. So going back to the digital library homepage, the next big resource we have is Learning Express Library and Job and Career Accelerator. So we're going to go ahead and open that one. So this is the homepage. It's powered by EBSCO Learning Express. And here there are the few main things you can do. There's Job and Career Accelerator, which you can use to build a resume, find a career match, explore occupations, search for jobs and internships, prepare for an interview, and other things like that. There's Career Preparation, which builds on Job and Career Accelerator to then prepare you for specific roles that have, let's say, entrance exams like nursing, or law enforcement, or real estate. You can find prep tests for all of those subjects at these hyperlinks. High School Equivalency Center, where you can prepare for the GED test, and college admissions test preparation, where you can take practice ACT, SAT, AP, IB, and all of these other very big tests that people in high school have to take to get into college or into their next step in life. School Center, there are skill building resources for classroom and homework success. College students, this is where you can prepare for graduate school admission exams like the GRE and GMAT. And as you'll see, just a bunch of other learning resources. So like mastering Microsoft Office, which is a very essential skill for many jobs, learning how to use that program. So here you can even learn that. And then of course they have resources in Hispanic too and Spanish for people who need it. And so that is EBSCO Learning Express. It's different from Knowledge City in that there's more of a focus on mastering certain specific career things versus just learning new skills, but still incredibly useful. Right? So then moving on, if we go down here to Florida Electronic Library, which I have open in the tab, this is another big resource for help with career skills, and once again, completely free. So the big thing here, there's so much you can learn and do, but the big things I want to highlight, if we go to career and jobs, there's also DIY and small business resources, but we're going to focus on the career and jobs part. So if we click that, this is all of the free products that you can get through the Florida Electronic Library to help you with your career goals. Gale Presents Peterson's Career Prep is a big one, which we'll go into later. But on this page also, I want to really highlight the Employ Florida Marketplace, where you can get advice by resume, apply for jobs, research careers, and also the Occupational Outlook Handbook. This is created by the U.S. Department of Labor Bureau of Labor Statistics, and every year they give a new one that gives information on the outlook of a certain field, the working conditions. So let's say you wanted to be a nurse. This book would show you what you have to do to become a nurse, how much you could expect to earn as a nurse in different stages of your career, and also the job outlook, meaning how much of a demand is there for nursing? Will you be able to find a job easily if you choose that field? So once again, a really good resource through the Florida Electronic Library. And there are so many more subjects here, like even Florida-specific resources and history, which you can find all here. All right, so moving on. After the Florida Electronic Library, we have the Gale Databases. So let me go here to that in a second. So go into the Gale Databases. When you click this button, after you sign in with your library card, you're directed here. And this can be kind of overwhelming at first just because there's so many different things you can do and learn. But I'm just going to highlight the ones that are specific to career prep and career readiness. Otherwise, you can explore all these other really cool research databases, which is essentially what they all are, just different databases that you can learn from. One moment. Okay, so yeah, these are all different databases that you can learn from. And if we, for instance, one moment, having Wi-Fi issues again. There we go. Okay, so sorry about that, guys. So yeah, there's all these different databases here that you can learn from. And the main one that I want to highlight on this page, all the way at the bottom, is Gale Presents Peterson's Career Prep, which I have open in this tab. So this one is very specifically focused on helping you find and prepare for a career. And it's just such a comprehensive database with so many helpful things, like showing you how to create a resume with customizable templates and importing your information from LinkedIn, helping you find a career, giving you job advice, whether it's in the interview section, preparing resumes and cover letters, negotiating your job conditions. Just so many good and important things in here. Let's see if I can log in to show you. And there you go. All right, so I'm signed in. So yeah, let me go ahead and show you one of these. I'll go to the advice section. And once we go here, there are so many different subjects that you can look at, whether it's transitioning from the military, the basics of creating a resume. So if we start that, all of these modules are very easy to understand and move through, and they're interactive too with hot links to different things that you can look at. So that is Gale's Presents Peterson's Career Prep. Once again, another really helpful and important one. And then next of the Gale databases, we have Gale Business Entrepreneurship, which if we go back to the main page, that one is right here. So if we click that, this is where you'll find information on if you are an entrepreneur and you're looking to start your own business, or you are thinking about becoming an entrepreneur. This is a good place for you to be and check out. So here you'll find information on planning a business, which is an incredibly comprehensive process, and this can really break it down and help you understand how to fund your startup, your business, managing your business, and just in general starting it, learning about the different types of small businesses, business structures, and different things like that. So this is great if you're just looking, and you can go here to browse topics. That way, instead of just searching up here, you can really narrow it down to what you are looking for. Even things like women-owned businesses, independent contractors, business failures, other things like that. And the final resource of Gale Databases that I want to highlight is Gale OneFile Vocations and Careers. So going back to the main page once more, if we scroll, and it's right down here at the bottom. So you can research a vocation, find an appropriate institution of learning, and get assistance on job searches and maintaining a career. So once we go to this database, once again, you can go to Topic Finder, which can help you better search for different things. Subject guide search, and other options to help you. So let's, for instance, type in cosmetology. Here we'll find tons of information on cosmetology, like techniques for it and other things like that. So this is good because it is a research database, but it pulls only topics on vocations and careers into one spot. So you're not just searching through tons of different pieces of research to find what you need. And so that is it for the databases. The one last thing I wanted to highlight that is obviously a good resource is the library itself. So here you can find our library catalog. You click that. You can log into your library account using your library card and your PIN. And here you'll find our whole collection, physical and digital, on what you can check out with your library card. So if we search career, and then limit it to Boynton Beach. This will then give you a whole list of topics within the library that you can check out. So, career code, must know rules for strategic, stylish, and self-made career, or career match. So let's click that just so I can show you how it works. So this is the title. And down here shows you that it's a Boynton Beach City Library book. It's in the nonfiction section, adult nonfiction specifically, and this is the call number. Now, it is checked out, and it'll show you if it is or isn't checked out, but you can place a hold on items that are checked out, and they will be given to you whenever the item is returned. So that is the essence of career prep with the library. I'm going to stop sharing my screen. And so, yeah, we hope that was really helpful for everyone, that you had a better idea and understanding of all that you can use your library card for to help you prep for your dream career. We thank you to everyone who came out to our Career Month events. We hope that you found it informative and that you picked up something new to help you on your path in your career journey. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us on social media. We are here for you to help you and be your source of lifelong learning. And I hope everyone has a great day and a great rest of your week. Bye.